Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Biodiversity Conservation. I am Subhalakshmi Raut from Ambika Prasad Research Foundation, India, and we are going to start a new topic that is Introduction to Research. So let's start with what is research. So research means anything we want to explore, or it is referred to as search for knowledge. So we can define research in many ways. I have given four ways to explain research, and research is a scientific and systematic search for any information on a particular topic, and it is the art of scientific investigation. And various scientists and various dictionaries have given some particular definitions to it, and but what we require in our scientific work is that it is a systematic method that is involving first defining a problem, then on the basis of the problem formulating a hypothesis, and then collecting the facts or data, then analyzing the data, then um, getting to some conclusions, and that conclusions may be solutions, or maybe generalization of a theoretical formulation. So these are the way in which research should be done and what is research. Now, research objectives. So why we need to do research? So the main purpose of research is to discover answers to questions through the application of scientific procedures. So the main aim of research is to find the truth that is hidden and that is not discovered. So there are some purposes here, like if we want to gain familiarity with a particular phenomenon, or we want to achieve new insights into a fact. So these are all exploratory or formulative research studies, and there are also something like we want to portray the characteristics of a particular situation, where and that type of research is descriptive research, and there are some objectives, like if we want to test a hypothesis, so that will be called hypothesis testing research. So these are the main objectives of research. Now, what is the motivation in research? Why we need to do research? Why people want to do research? So these are some uh, ways to say that some people do research to get a research degree, and all the benefits that come with a research degree. And some people do research to solve the unsolved problems and to get to a solution to help the people. And some people do to make their brain rest, because they want to do some creative work, and through research only they can get a solution that will make them happy. And some people do research to provide service to the society, and some people do research to get respect. So these are the motivations of why people want to do research. So there are basically two types of research approach: quantitative and qualitative. In case of quantitative approach, we gather or generate data in quantitative form, and um, analyze it in a formal and very rigid fashion. And this approach is divided into inferential, experimental, and simulation approaches. And the purpose of inferential approach is to um, study all the data that we have gathered and come to a conclusion based on the similarities and dissimilarities of the gathered data. And in case of experimental approach, we give much more attention to the environment of the research, that is the variables that may alter the experimental outcome. So we uh, focus more attention on the variables. And in case of simulation approach, we create or construct a artificial environment on the basis of the data provided to get to a outcome or get to a conclusion. And in case of qualitative approach, we are mainly concerned with the subjective assessment of attitudes, opinions, and behavior. So this type of technique is mainly used in group interviews or in projective techniques or in-depth interviews. So those are mainly used in uh, interviewing or uh, that type of purposes only. Now, what is the significance of research? Why research is important? So, research actually sometimes may mean a source of livelihood for professionals. Those are in research methodology or those type of field, and it may be an outlet for new ideas and insights for philosophers and thinkers. And to students, it may mean a career or a way to attain high position in the society. And somebody does research for the development of new styles or any creative work. And to analysts and intellectuals, research may mean the generalizations of new theories. And research generates scientific and inducive thinking, and it promotes the development of logical habits of thinking and organization. And research is used in several fields, and mainly it forms a basis for policy formation. And it provides us ways to solve many operational and planning problems, may it be in government or non-government policies or those all things. And it has provided a special significance in solving the issues of social scientists, like in studying social relationships and in seeking answers to various social problems. So these are some of the significance of research. So this is all from me today. Thank you.